Presenting the certificate, Governor Obiano pointed out that traditional rulers constitute a viable partner in the task of community mobilization, adding that as a result, his government is resolving traditional rulership tussles in troubled communities and instituting leaderships that will drive its development activities therein. Congratulating the new traditional ruler on his emergence, Governor Obiano urged him to lead his people with the fear of God, assuring him of the state government's support.
Eze Igbo eze Enugu Agidi niile ọ bụrụ ọsọsọ eze n'Igbo unu ọ dị mkpa so ibuli ya n'obi ọ chaghị adị mma by all our regulations, it is my honor as the governor of Anambra State to present this certificate to you.
The Commissioner for Local Government, Chieftaincy and Town Union Matters, Mr. Greg Obi, while emphasizing that all necessary procedures and processes were followed before the traditional ruler emerged, urged him to make the unification of all aggrieved members of the community a first-line charge, as well as to support the state government to ensure that Enugu Agidi continues to benefit from government development packages.
Igwe elect, I have just a very short piece of advice for you, which is that anywhere something is contested, where there's a winner, there's a loser. But your job, like Igwe Mboku said, is not to go and then start lording it over the other side. You must go back and start today to bring the people together. That's your first assignment.
In a remark, the traditional ruler of Mbuku in Oka South Council area, Igwe Peter Nugu, while reminding Igwe Okekuche that the traditional institution is a sacred one, advised him to avoid acts capable of bringing the institution to disrepute. The immediate past transition committee chairman for Njikoka local government area, Chief Emeka Onora, acknowledged that with the development, the community is now better positioned to witness unprecedented progress. Responding, the new traditional ruler, Igwe Okekuche, thanked Governor Obiano for recognizing him and promised to use the certificate to pursue the development of his community, assuring him that for what he has done for them, they will support him. The event featured cultural displays. From the Governor's Lodge, Amobia, I am Kene Chukwuofoma, reporting for ABS News.